Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to use AI to write Instagram captions that will always grab attention, get likes, and even boost engagement in your Insta. So let's just get started. Step number one is you can just go ahead and open up any of the AI tools, for example, ChatGPT or Claude or any other AI that you prefer. So what you can do is here you can just go ahead and use that. So for example, I'm using ChatGPT. So you can, once you are logged in or even without logging in, you can just go ahead and type in a clear prompt to get the best captions. You need to define your goal in tone in step number 2. So for example, if you want funny captions, what you can do is you can type in write funny captions, or let's say morning coffee. Just go ahead and type in that and hit enter. And once you do, the AI tool will generate multiple options in seconds. So there are some funny captions that has been provided. If you want more options, you can just go ahead and type in more and it should give you more options available. And that's it. Apart from that, what you can do is you can even add a certain kind of context, tell what's in the photo, the type of post in your audience. So for example, let's say coffee and a cute cafe. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type in that. And the more details you provide, the more relevant the captions will be. So you can see as I provided them with other information, they provided with me other kind of caption. Like for example, let's say you even have a dog with you. So you can even type in dog in the side with me and hit enter. And that way you will be getting the caption that you may prefer using on your Instagram. And you can even ask ChatGPT or any other AI tools to include hashtags and emoji. So for example, you can type in write captions including hashtags and even emojis. You can just go ahead and type in that, and once you do so, they should provide you with everything that you're asking for. That way your post will look more polished and discoverable, and it will give you a draft. And make sure you match it to your voice style or your inside jokes so that you can use it on post. And finally, you can go to Instagram and go ahead and upload it. So let's say Instagram. And from there, you can just go over and try creating up a post and go ahead and upload it. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to go ahead and use AI to create captions for you, this is the method you can apply up. So do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials.